You're back to the channel. So sorry for like not using my face today because I want to be quick because launch is about to stop today, 9th of June. So I'm gonna show you how to get 20,000 points in your Blum um points, like within like it's even done within 2 hours, not even 24 hours. So let me go to my Blum right now and you all see the point I have now. I'm like 90,000 or so. They gave me free 19,000, and this is like 29. This thing here, like the one I used to play my games, and you could see I'm already farming. So actually, I logged in today. Like it's just today I did this, and I've gotten 19,000 points. And I'll show you how to do it like real quick and real fast. So first of all, you're gonna like use the gaming settings. Like for now, they're gonna give you like 7 points a day, but that's not what the secret is. That's not what the secret is. Like this is also airdropping, and you also could see from the first place that I have almost like 300 or 15. Sorry, that's an exaggeration. 15 airdrop. This thing I'm working on. So I'm actually doing that because I'm on a WhatsApp. I own a WhatsApp group, a community where I'll be dropping new things about airdropping. And also don't forget to subscribe because that will reach out to help my channel grow and reach out to many people. So on how to do it first, there's a special link to be quick with you all. There's a special link at the link of the description. When you're gonna tap that link, don't forget it's a referral. That one is not unique. It doesn't look like a referral link. The first link you see at the description, you're gonna tap it. Tap the link in the description and sign up in Bloom. Automatically, you're gonna get 19,000 points. 19,000 points. I'm telling you, 90,000 points. And that 90,000 points, according to my searchings, one Blum is worth about $0.05. $0.05. Can you imagine that? And if you convert it, like as I'm having 20,000 points, and that is worth about 1 million, that's $1,000. As I'm having that type of points right now, like it's really high, man. Like, come on, you're gonna believe me. So you're gonna tap the first link on the description, sign up on Bloom. Then you're gonna go to, let me go to it real quick. You're gonna go to your Chrome. I don't know what I'm using. Let me go to my Chrome self. You're gonna go to your Chrome and you're gonna search for, sorry if I'm taking a lot of time. You're gonna search for blum.io. Yeah, this is it. Then when you like finish typing the link in the description, then you press launch Bloom on this on Instagram. Then you're gonna be on your wait, like this is not what you're gonna see at first. You're gonna see something like join waiting list. When you join the waiting list, after you like tap the first link in the description, you're gonna the things gonna, then you press go back to my link again and press that same link. Then it's gonna take you to the Telegram and you're gonna launch it, and then boom, you see your 19,000 points. Like no need, like just follow the instructions step by step and you're gonna get it. Like you all could see this. You all could see this. 19,000 points. I'm actually gonna read 20 very soon. 20,000, and it's about 0.05. And also, if you all need new, okay, I've already read 20,000. If you all need any airdrop updates, this is what you're gonna do. Tap the second link in the description, and you're gonna join my WhatsApp group where I'm gonna be dropping a daily new um airdrop updates. So let me go to it real quick. Let me show you what I do. So this is my group where you're gonna get all my airdrops and all those things, all the new airdrops you're gonna know about. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Do the things, the steps I told you in this video step by step. Click that link. That link is not a referral link. Click that link on the description. And also you're gonna go to system blum.io and you're gonna like join the wait list. So that's how you're gonna get it, because today is the deadline. And also I wish you all luck. And don't forget to join my WhatsApp group so that you get new updates. Yeah, goodbye for now.